this got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy,